Hello, everybody. We're continuing with the practice test on Unit 1 for WAMAP that we're doing next week. And this is so you can get ready. I've got 3 substitution problems. And substitution is where they have something that looks maybe a little intimidating, algebra, x squared minus y minus z. And then they define these numbers. So it's kind of plug and play, but it can be intimidating. So let me just write this down. X squared minus y minus z. And there's a couple of hazards you have to watch out for. X. I hate that there's a margin up there. I guess I'm just a hater. X is equal to, I did it again. I really do wish that. X is equal to, so here they define what they are. X is equal to -2. Y is equal to 7, friendly little 7, and positive number. And Z is equal to -6. Okay. So one thing I might recommend is when you do the substitutions, use parentheses around your number. So X is -2, Y is 7, Z is -6. So when you plug those in, we're going to have -2 squared. And we're going to have -7. And we're going to have -6. So if you put these in parentheses and just plug them in like play school blocks, like Legos, then you can reevaluate them on the next step. And you'll see we have this double negative thing. So we're going to have a positive here, +6. And we can just evaluate. This is like pre-evaluation. And then we can just treat it like a regular PEMDAS problem. So there are no operations inside parentheses here. So we're going to start with the exponent. So -2 squared is -2 times -2, which means 4. So 4 minus 7 plus 6. Okay. So 4 minus 7 is -3, right? Because we have a +4 and a -7. Signs are different, so we take the difference. And then 7 is larger than 4, and 7's sign is negative, so we're going to end up with a -3 plus 6. -3 plus 6, you can evaluate different ways. You can look at it as 6 minus 3, then it's easy. Or you can say -3, +6, signs are different. What's the difference between 6 and 3? Well, 3. And then the bigger number is positive, so your answer is going to have a positive sign. So this should be our answer. Let's see. You don't need a positive sign. You can add the positive sign if you want, but you don't have to. All right, let's look at number 9. These have been pre-screened. Evaluate -9 times parentheses x minus 5 squared plus 8 for x, and x is equal to -1. All right, so again, just trying to think of ways that you can't make a mistake, that you'll be kicking yourself about later like I do. Learn from my hard knocks. We're going to substitute -1 in here in parentheses for every x we see, and there's only one. So -9 times -1 minus 5 squared plus 8. All right, so now we've got just a regular PEMDAS problem. So inside the parentheses, we've got just one operation, subtraction, right? And this is the sign. So we have -1 minus 5. So 2 negatives, right? -1, and you're subtracting 5, so that's like another -5. The negativity combines, so you've got -6 here. -6, we're going to keep those parentheses, and -9 and +8. So now that we've done all the math in the parentheses, we're ready to look. No more parentheses with an operation. So we're going to go with the exponent. So -6 squared, that's the same as -6 times -6. If you want these on, I'll put them. And just neaten that up a tad. So a negative times a negative, or any multiplication or division problem, if the signs are the same, you're going to get a positive product. So let's write positive 36. And keep the parentheses around them for now. We've got a negative 9 here and a positive 8. So parentheses, yes, but no operation inside them, just a sign. And then no exponents, but we do have one unwritten multiplication and one written addition sign. So we're going to go with the multiplication first. So negative 9 times 36. Ugh. So we got two different signs, so the answer will be negative. 9 times 6, oops, 54. 4 carry the 5. 9 times 3 is 27, plus 5 is 30. 3? No, 32. Oops. 32. Right? It's getting late in the day. 9 times 6, 54. Carry the 5, 27, that's 32. So, negative 324 plus 8. So this evaluated to negative 324 plus 8. And so for these, it's sometimes hard to do the math, but remember, take the difference between these two because the signs are different. So 324, you're going to subtract 8, and you're going to get 316. Now, is that positive or negative? Well, we had a big number, 324, a big number, which is negative, and a small positive number. So the net is going to be, net result will be negative. So negative 316. So I don't have a lot of confidence in this answer, but let's see. Ah, awesome. All right, Q9, and next one, Q19. Oh, wait, no, we did that one. Awesome. So I think that's all the substitution problems I have in this set, and I'll put the others together in another set, and you can watch those.